This is Brad. In this tutorial, we're taking a look at how you could use a Chromebook and a Google Sheet to have a conversation with a student in your class who does not speak English. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'll include the link of this Google Sheet in my blog post. It does have a couple formulas over here, but here we go. The first thing you're going to need to do on the student's Chromebook, come down and select the settings gear. On the left-hand side, select device and then keyboard. Scroll down to change input settings. And in this example, we're going to use Ukrainian. And here it is. So let's add that. Now we're going to need to toggle on the on-screen keyboard. So accessibility, scroll down, on-screen keyboard. This is going to allow them to see their keyboard in their language. So go ahead and select it. Now you can select right here and go to Ukrainian this way, and again, you can toggle back and forth. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like from a teacher point of view. I'm going to go ahead in, I'm just going to use my other computer here, and I'm going to type in something to say to the specific student. Here we go. So type that in, and it is instantly translated. The student can then go ahead, use that on-screen keyboard, and we can have a conversation back and forth. They feel comfortable. Imagine you going to another country and having this ability. Like, how important would that be? And think about their first day, how great they would feel. And here you go. You can see. Let's post this little one in here. And there you go. Then you can even say, do you like football? So there you go. Again, I'll include this link in my blog post. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.